Welcome to my channel. Today let's talk about how you can make money with blogging. Yes, you don't need to have a blog, you don't need to have a website, but you can make up to $9,000 per month. Yes, up to $300 per day for just 4 blog posts. Now, one thing about blogging, I love blogging so much because so many years I started blogging, and I started in 2007 when I started blogging, but something happened along the way. But I don't want to mention that because it's something I don't want to remember. But right now, I want to show you how you can make money from blogging. Now, I met this guy that was in cyber cafe. That was also a few years ago. So I was into trading. I was trading forex and cryptocurrency, and he was like, okay. I said, well, I wanted to introduce him. He was like, no, he's okay with his blogging. I said, okay, what's your website? He said he doesn't have a website. I was like, okay, if you don't have a website, how are you making money from blogging? He now explained everything in details to me. I discovered that you don't need to have a website for you to make money from your blogging. There are people that have blogging, but they don't even have the chance to write on their blogs. And there are some blogs that make a lot of money. Now, when you listen, for example, let me bring it down to Nigeria. We have Linda EKG blog, we have Naira Land. These people are making a lot of money. Linda EKG earns over 150 million naira from her blog. That is over $100,000 to $150,000 every month from her blog. Some bloggers earn up to $50,000. Some bloggers earn up to $20,000. Now, most of these bloggers, most of them right now, they don't have chance because of writing content. Now, one thing about blogging is that if you are doing copyright blogging, you might get your blog demonetized, okay? Or if you want to apply for monetization with Google, they might reject your blog because most of your writing, most of your blog posts are copyrighted. That is why a lot of bloggers pay. Instead of them trying to do, they don't have the time to write out content. Now they will rather pay for you to write content for them. So for example, I'm going to give you this website. All you need to do is sign up. Sign up as a what? A blogger. Then there are so many bloggers that must have submitted requests, pay these companies that, okay, look, I need 300 words, I need 500 words blog posts about how to make money online. I need a blog post about how water will be good for your health. I need a blog post. It might be based on health blog. Let's say it's about fitness. They must say, okay, write a blog post about how important you need to do daily exercise. They want to post it on their blog because their blogging is all about fitness. It might be maybe let's say the blog is about fashion. Someone, okay, can you just write a blog post, write 1,000 words blog post about fashion or 23 fashion. Now, this is where this company comes in. They look for writers. This is where you sign up that I'm a writer, I'm a content creator. Now you are registered as a blogger, as a blog post creator, then they will definitely give you a particular post to write. Now for every blog post you write, you get paid up to $75. Wow. For every blog post you write, you get paid up to $75. That means if you are writing about 4 blog posts per day, you'll be earning about $300 from that blog post. Now another thing is that all you need is 300 words. Okay, most of these blog posts, they want you to write about 300 words to 500 words. Then they will pay up to $75 to $100. Now you might be asking yourself, how do these people make money? Now from every blog post they pay, let's say they pay this company up to $100, and the company now pays you $75 and keeps 25%, which is $25 for themselves. For example, now me as a blogger that is making money, once I post that particular publish that post, which actually this company actually through most of the bloggers, they send the blog to me and I pay them. I might make up to $500 from that single blog post. I might make up to $200 or $300. But remember, I spent $100 from that blog post. But that blog post can generate up to $300 to $500 for me. So that is how it works. Now, one important thing you need to understand is that blogging is very good. So many bloggers, we have so many sites, so many bloggers, and there are a lot of competitions. But Google will keep ranking your blog website if you keep generating original content. This is why most bloggers wants you to write a blog post for them. Now, please, if you are a good content creator, maybe you're a blogger, you still want to make extra money while blogging on your site, also you write content for other people, you can do this. So log into www.talentdesire.com. You can see it on the screen. Just sign up with your email address and you are good to go. You can make good amount of money blogging. I'm going to do more video about this. I'm going to go deeply into this blog post because this is something I've been doing for many years. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. Please kindly turn on the notification button, like our video, share our video, drop your comment. If you have any question, you can drop it. I'm ready to answer you and guide you through. Please kindly subscribe, turn the notification button in order not to miss our next video. Once again, thank you for stopping by.